Hey Cakenistas, as the months get colder, we need more comfort food, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy chocolate cake cobbler. Let's get started. This is such an easy recipe, and yes, it uses boxed cake mix. You're going to get your favorite chocolate cake mix, and you're going to follow the directions on the back of the box. Now, this is a cake that I had as a kid growing up, specifically. Okay, this may be a little bit embarrassing. The Old Country Buffet, you guys. Yes, I had this at the Old Country Buffet, and I was never a big chocolate cake fan, but whenever I would go to the Old Country Buffet, which used to be poppin' when I was little, I would always look forward to having this because it was like fudgy, it was chocolate cake, but it wasn't too chocolatey. It was so comforting. And then this with some vanilla ice cream, oh my goodness, you can't really beat it. So you're going to put this in like a casserole dish or something that you would just want a big fudgy good chocolate cake to be in, okay? Now, typically you will put it in a greased pan or a pan that is lined with parchment, but you do not have to do that here. This is a cobbler after all. Okay. Now, I put some graham crackers in this, okay, because I was trying to do a little twist, a little s'moresy situation. Yeah, it looks cool, but don't do this because it does not matter. When I say that those graham crackers disappeared, notice that that last one did not make it into the cake. Okay, now here is the twist. I'm going to sprinkle a couple tablespoons of cocoa powder, just the regular Hershey or whatever brand that you like, onto the batter. And then some brown sugar, okay? Because we need to just slightly sweeten, just slightly. This is going to help make it fudgy and delicious. Okay, now I'm going to add, wow, a lot more brown sugar because you gotta keep it sweet. All right, but trust me, it's not gonna be too much. Look, I took away just a little bit so that it wouldn't be too much. So now I'm going to add some hot water to this. I'm pouring it on top, but magic is going to happen as it bakes, and it is going to flip. So the cake will be on top and the fudgy goodness will be on the bottom. Next, I told you guys I was doing s'moresy, right? So I put some mini marshmallows on top. You can do more. I could have loaded it up, but I really wanted to see what the top of the chocolate cake was going to look like and if I would actually be able to see those graham crackers, which I'm telling you that they totally disappear. So it doesn't even matter. This is what it looks like. It baked in the oven. Don't worry, check the description for the full recipe and the baking time. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And now I'm going to pull out my big industrial spoon because this is definitely very serious, and we are going to cut into this cake. I am too excited because I'm taken right back to when I was like 10 years old, in line with my plate. I take a scoop out and I'm like, where's the fudge? Where's the fudge? Okay, so I overbaked mine. This is kind of what it looks like right here, and this is just the edge of the cake. And that's what I get for baking in one of those little teeny countertop ovens and not the actual oven. This is pretty much what it looks like, just with more fudge. Yeah, so typically it's got a lot more fudge, but it is ooey gooey. You eat it while it's still hot, and it is just so delicious, and it's so easy to make. So I hope that you guys give this recipe a try. Make sure to subscribe to the channel while you're here. Give this one a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Cakenistas.